Hi everyone, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. So in today's video, we're going to be prepping the patio using some items that I got from the homedepot.com. I absolutely love this Rio plant that I got. I love the fact that it's an evergreen and it also blooms during the spring and summer months, and during the winter months you need to bring it on the inside. So absolutely love that. I absolutely love this planter as well. It's like a ceramic or a cement look. So my neighbor is a master gardener and she is going to help me plant the Rio plant that I got from Home Depot. And she just kind of taught me how to like roll it out and then loosen up some of the soil and then add some more soil and fertilizer in that soil, like fertilized soil once it's all planted, and then to pat it out and go through and kind of clip off any of the leaves that look dead or damaged or anything like that. So I absolutely love this plant. It's done very well with me throughout the summer months, and I look forward to continuing to grow with it. I also had some ferns on the patio earlier this summer. So this is more of like how I'm transitioning in terms of decor and flowers. The ferns did really well this summer. I love the fact that I was able to like put a little bit of dirt in the planter to stabilize it from the wind and rain, but I also added the pot that the other plant came in. I put that in this planter to give it a little bit of height. So when I added the fern on the inside of it, it kind of sat up because this planter was a little bit taller. So it allowed me to stabilize it with the dirt, and then it gave me a little bit of height by adding the additional pot on the inside of it. So that's just a little tip for you guys, because ferns, unfortunately, these don't last all year long. So I will not be going this route in the future. So once I got the ferns in, I went ahead and clipped out all of the pieces for the hanging basket, and I just used a wire cutter to do so. And then I placed the ferns on either side of the chimney on the inside of my house. It's like a fireplace. So on either side of that, I placed the pots, and I just thought it looked super duper cute. But I'm going to have to change out the fern for the fall. Next up, I added the rug, and this is an indoor-outdoor rug from Home Depot. I love the trellis design on it. I love the color. It's neutral, but it's, you know, still light, so I absolutely love that as well. It is an all-weather rug, and it just looks absolutely fabulous, and it brings so much warmth to the overall space. So absolutely love. And if I can find these products, I will definitely link them down in the description box below. So here's an overall look of what the patio looks like thus far, and I could not be more pleased like with the curtains that are up, and the shears and the plants. I just think it gives it such a airy vibe, and I love to see the curtains billowing in the fall, you know, with the wind and things like that. I absolutely love to see that, and the planters just look absolutely amazing. So here's another view of what it all looks like from the opposite side of the room, and where you see that little piece or indentation of the wall coming out on the inside of our home, that is where our fireplace is. So next up, we are going to clean the pillows and get them all positioned and ready and prepped to go. Now, one of the things I do want to point out is that I did a video on, you know, how to do different layouts for a room. It's like 5 different layouts, and I wanted to just kind of show all the different ways this particular space could be arranged. But I ultimately ended up with going with the sofa right under the TV area and the 2 sitting chairs, and then on the opposite side I added the 2 ottomans, which I thought worked out pretty well. I do love the curtains because it gives us a little bit of privacy, yet it still allows us to be able to see the beauty of the golf course and just nature in general. So I absolutely love that aspect as well. Okay, you guys, so now it is time for us to start prepping for fall. I don't know if you remember this wreath that I had on the front door a few years ago. Well, I'm going to take that wreath and make it the bottom or the base of my pumpkin topiary. I love the wreath. I love the colors. I love the neutral aspects of it, but I just wanted to kind of add, a pop of color to it by changing things around a bit. So the base of the pumpkin topiary is going to be an ivory color. I did get these at Home Depot a couple of years ago. The center, which is gray, was actually orange and I painted it gray, and then the top was green and I painted it a very light blue to match my theme. Now to add on with the blue, I'm just going to add this super cute, super cozy, comfortable fall throw in the blue color. I got it from TJ Maxx. I love the little tassels on the end. I am all about the tassels in this season. And then I'm just going to tuck it in just a bit before I place the pillows. Now let me give you guys a trick. In order to get this cut or this crease in the center of your pillow, you want to make sure that the pillows are feather filled. I got this pillow cover from Amazon, and unfortunately the insert is not feather filled. So my trick is to kind of indent it in the middle a little bit and to pull up on the two edges to give me that crease look. On the other two seating chairs, I'm just going to add the gray pillows that I had on the main sofa. I'm going to add those there so that I won't have to go and buy additional pillows. I just, don't have the storage, and the pillow covers work so much better for me. And then I am going to just kind of clean from underneath the table. We had our nieces and nephews over the summer, so we had tons of toys and so many other things underneath the table before I add the centerpiece. Now, I got this centerpiece a few years ago, and I just added a couple of coats of paint. I got it at Sam's, and I just added a little bit of paint to that in order to allow it to match the current theme that I had going on. I also added in some fall picks, and I painted some of the pumpkins to match the pumpkins on my fall pillows, as well as the pumpkin on the top of the pumpkin topiary. Okay guys, there you have it, my 2020 fall patio tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this and that you leave with tons of ideas and inspiration. Many of you have reached out to me to let me know that you miss my home content, and honestly, I miss sharing it with you guys. So if you miss my home content, my home decor content, my personal content, please leave me a heart emoji down in the comments below, or a fall leaf, so a heart emoji to let me know you miss it, and a fall leaf to let me know you want to see more fall decor. And I will get back with you with more creative and inspiring videos. Thank you guys so much for watching and for all of your continuous and unwavering support. And until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!